Math Olympiad 2017. Tamirul Millat Kamil madrasah Tongi, one of the prominent institutions in madrasah history throughout the country. Recently, there had been held math festival named Math Olympiad 2017. One fine morning, math festival started through launching a banner with playing the theme song of this program. The clubs and bands program has been celebrated by the crowds. Completing the primary celebration, main task started in hall room. Guests honoring giving their memorial program goes forward. The editor of Noyadigonko newspaper Alamgir Mohyuddin was presented on the program as a chief guest. Here he talked with teachers and given important consultations. At the stage, he has given some unknown information and encouraged the students to keep holding madrasah tradition. Principal of this madrasah, Zainul Abidin, also presented on the program. He has delivered a lecture and given guidance to the students so that they can perform well in the upcoming future. During the examination, some of the senior teachers of this madrasah also attended on the exam hall. Bangla teacher, Arabic teacher, science teacher, math teacher was presented on the exam hall. They were so much sensitive and careful so that the students cannot take any copy or take look others. Rather than teachers, more than 30 volunteers students were also vigilant in the exam hall. At the prize-giving moment, some of the former students of Tamirul Millat presented on the program. They are from BUED, Dhaka Medical and Mathematical section. At the stage, they greeted the students with brilliant looks and inspired them, telling their life stories. Student Union was the main maker of this whole program. The president of Student Union, Khairul Anam, delivered few important words. He has given some instructions and motivated the students to go forward. The General Secretary of Student Union, Hassan al-Firdaus, was the presenter of the program. He also has given some unknown historical information that the students have not ever heard. Prize was given in 4 sections. In every section, there were 3 winners. The winners have been given crest, medal, and a special certificate for their brilliant contributions.